Hi, good evening to all. Now we are going to look at the difference between scheduled banks and the non-scheduled banks. It's an important topic in banking theory of BBA. First, we can look at the meaning of both. The meaning of the scheduled banks is a banking company with a paid-up capital of 5 lakhs or more. Scheduled bank which have been included in the second schedule of RBA Act 1934, which have the capital of a minimum 5 lakhs or more than 5 lakhs. If they are they come under the scheduled banks. Non-scheduled banks, these are those that are unable to comply with the RBA's requirements. Because RBA doesn't control the non-scheduled banks. The second one is the second schedule. Scheduled banks come under the second schedule. Non-scheduled banks function themselves so it doesn't mention in the second schedule. The next one is cash reserve ratio. It is shortly called as CRR, which means commercial banks have to hold the certain minimum amount of a deposit as a reserves with the central bank or with the RBA against the bank's total deposits. It's called the cash reserve ratio. It maintains by RBA, whereas non-scheduled banks they maintain the CRR themselves. Borrowing, they are authorized to borrow funds from the RBA. Because the scheduled banks are controlled by RBA, they can be authorized to borrow funds from them. Whereas a non-scheduled bank not authorized to borrow money from the RBA. Examples of the scheduled banks, commercial banks, private and the public sector banks. Examples of non-scheduled banks are local banks, state and cooperative banks. The risk factor of the scheduled banks are they are financially stable because of funds now provided by RBA and are unlikely to hurt the rights of the depositor. The chances of the risk is very less now in the scheduled banks. Whereas non-scheduled banks are associated with more risk. The next the criteria is the returns. They are required to file the returns on a periodic basis. Returns are it's also called as a financial returns now. Required to file on some periodically pieces. There is no such class. They don't follow the particular periods. They can file it whenever they want. Membership they can apply to join the clearinghouse. Clearinghouse means a banker's establishment where checks and file bills from member banks are exchanged, so that only the balances need to be paid in cash. It's known as a clearinghouse. scheduled banks now can apply to join the clearing house, whereas non-scheduled banks are not eligible for membership in the clearing house, particularly in the trading purposes. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.